Happy holidays and time to talk motorcycle gifts. Number 1, actually give the gift of riding. Any MSF or Harley-Davidson motorcycle course can get someone their license. And nothing to worry about, these courses start off with baby steps and leave them with a motorcycle license, the gift of riding. Number 2, a tire pressure gauge. This should be in every motorcyclist garage, ensuring that they leave for a ride with proper tire pressure. While in their garage, number 3, a scissor lift. These are great as they can lift different types of motorcycles and help that DIY mechanic get some projects done. Number 4, for the traveling motorcyclists out there, extra fuel can and fuel can harness. You never know when these will be the greatest gift that you've given them so that they don't run out of gas. Another great gift for motorcyclists that like to hit the road, good luggage. A helpful tank bag or waterproof luggage can make a big difference in their travels. For the creator motorcyclists, different options for action camera mounts. This is a Dango design mount that can fit just about every helmet, or a magnetic mount that can sit on tanks. Some creative mount options so they can get unique shots. And a quad lock phone mount can ensure their phone stays in place so they can share all this content on social media. Always a favorite, a guardian bell, a simple stocking stuffer that hangs on their bike, just showing that you care. Lastly, and absolutely free, the La Tigers Rider Benefit Kit. This can sit along in their saddlebag and remind them that should they ever need them, La Tigers are America's motorcycle lawyers that will happily go to bat to get the compensation that injured motorcyclists deserve. The Rider Benefit Card is absolutely free. You can sign up on La Tigers' website, and there are some helpful links in the description. My name is Alyssa. Stay safe out there, and happy holidays.